You know how you feel when you feel your best, and you know what you're supposed to feel like most of the time. And when you don't feel like yourself for some reason, whether it's a stomach ache or a headache or amotivated or just plain tired, the best thing to do is get some rest. And the deepest form of rest that you can take is known as a fast. When you don't feel like yourself, if you want to feel better as quickly as possible, take a fast. It's the perfect word. It happens fast. You get well more rapidly when you rest, when you just stop. You stop eating, you stop doing, you stop working, you stop fitness training. Just take a rest. It might just be for 4 hours, or it might be for 8 or 12. Maybe an entire day is needed. But if you want to get well the most rapid way known to man, fast. My grand obsession was to bring health and a healthy message to as many people as possible. And through the course of my career, I've helped thousands of people regain their health, and thousands of athletes reach levels of performance even they didn't think was possible. I've done the same for you by spending more than a decade creating and rewriting perpetual health until I finally got it the way I wanted. I bring you Perpetual Health 365 because on these pages you can get the benefits that you want from a book on health. If you want to learn how to do fitness to the max, healthy thinking and healthy living for the best possible results, how to eat well, how to interact with others, how to get a sane and healthy view on weight management and personal interactions, and even your own self-talk. Perpetual Health 365 is the book that will change your life for the better.